Hey hikers. Packing can make or break your hiking trip. And today I'm going to show you how to pack like a pro, even if you're not hitting the trail right now. This was one of the hardest areas for me, and many of my hiking friends say the same thing. What to take and what to leave behind, how to pack for comfort, and how to know where you put that one thing that you're going to need right now. And by getting your gear in order from home, you'll be ready for your next adventure, no matter when it comes. Start with a checklist. The first thing you'll want to do is create a packing checklist. Write down everything that you might need, from your backpack and sleeping system, your tent or hammock, to clothing, food, first aid kit, water filter, toilet kit, navigation tools. You get the point. The best way to stay organized is to pack with a purpose. And when you're organizing your gear, make sure everything has its place. Consider packing cubes or zippered bags to keep things like snacks, first aid supplies, and clothing separate. And then that way, when you're out on the trail, you won't have to dig through your pack for everything. And when packing your clothes, it's important to consider layers, to layer for comfort and versatility. Start with a moisture-wicking base layer, and then follow that with an insulating layer, and then a waterproof or a windproof layer. Now, you layer up based on the conditions that you're going in. When you're hiking, your body will work up its body heat. And so you don't want to wear too much while you're hiking, because if you begin to sweat under your layers, you risk cold injuries in the wintertime. But when you stop to rest or stop for the night, then you may want to have your puffy jacket or a fleece hoodie to stay warmer, especially during the winter. So keep this in mind and practice at home before you head out for a hike. And then don't forget to pack enough water and food. So even if you're just practicing at home, try packing snacks like energy bars and trail mix or dried fruit to mimic what you'll bring on a real hike. Then hydration is key. So always carry a water bottle and a filter for purifying water from streams and creeks along the trail. And we all pack our fear. It's good to know what's really important to you when you're far away from home. For me, my fear is running out of water, so I tend to overpack water, and I always test my filter before leaving home. But what's your fear? By organizing your gear and thinking through your packing strategy, you'll be a pro when it comes time for your next hiking adventure. Now, what's your packing routine? Let me know in the comments. And until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, stay on the path. God bless you.